This has been my first time at Wisdom of the Crowds. Generally speaking, I'd be more used to larger scale events, but also much less interaction. So this has been a really welcome change in what I'm usually used to attending.
Today's event was really good. It's one of the best ones we've had actually. I've been to 4 or 5 Wisdom of Crowd events now, and I always come back as it's one of the only events where it's like a round table on a grand scale. A real input from everyone and a real depth and wealth of experience and knowledge across the room.
I like coming to this event because it's an opportunity to glean experience from colleagues in our industry.
My role is from end to end, so I don't get a lot of chance to sort of deep dive on the security side of things. So I've learnt a lot today. Happy to attend a few of these to really get up to date on things.
It differs in as much as you're much closer to the people on the coalface. You're having conversations about real world scenarios, real types of events.
It is probably the best event I've been to. The crowd was amazing. Amar was amazing at engaging the crowd as well. What was really special was the tabletop exercise. For me, being in sales, I've not had that experience sitting down with CISOs before, incident response teams and various roles, information security managers, and really understanding what actually goes on inside of those organisations. The tabletop exercise really allowed us to put my feet in their shoes.
I find the Wisdom of Crowds gives you lots of different insights during the day which you can take back to your day-to-day role, and always take away something a little bit different from these events.
Everyone's got their own point of view, which is great, and we learn from each other.